Good morning everyone. It's weekend. It's beautiful today. The weather is nice today. And you can see the trees. Oh, it's lovely. So a lot of fresh air, fresh breeze. It's not very hot today. Um, anyway, Ruslan is doing the front driveway today, and you can see this is all before all the rain. Now he's doing the jet wash today. That's the task for this weekend for Ruslan. Ah, look at all these bugs. Lovely. Wow. Those flowers are really nice, those ones. So, right, so today's Ruslan is going to do the driveway, complete driveway today, the jet wash. He did it, Ruslan completed the garage last weekend, so I'm doing this today. Alright Ruslan, good luck. My task is to do the fence, take the fence. Let's see, if it doesn't rain, I will complete the fence, painting the fence and the birdhouse. Show you the strawberries again, and the big ones came out, this one. So what I've done is I've put a net on this, so the kids are going to come over for dinner, the family. So I'm sure the kids will enjoy the strawberries. 2 seconds, it's coming over. That's the net there. And there's all different sounds of the birds here. It's lovely. Oh, those flowers are beautiful. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you so much. I know you guys are all watching, so I would really appreciate if you start to watch my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and have a lovely weekend. Oh, the sun's coming out. Then I'll definitely be doing the fence. If it rains, I say to Ruslan, if it rains, I won't be doing it. But oh, look at it. But if it's nice and sunny, I'll go ahead and do all the fence too. So take care everyone, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and enjoy watching it. Take care everyone. Thank you. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.